ready to ditch fumbling for your wallet and pay with just a glance. Today, we're unlocking the power of Apple Pay with Face ID for a super secure and seamless checkout experience. First, let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Give that gray gear icon a tap. Now, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap on it. If you haven't already added a card, tap on Add Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your debit or credit card. You can either scan the card using your iPhone's camera, or enter the details manually. Make sure the information is correct. If you already have cards added, that's great. Make sure the card you want to use with Face ID is set as your default card. You can do this by scrolling down to Transaction Defaults and selecting your preferred card under Default Card. Okay, let's back out of Wallet and Apple Pay and scroll back up in the Settings menu. Find and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll likely need to enter your passcode to proceed. In the Face ID and Passcode menu, make sure that Apple Pay is toggled on under the Use Face ID for section. If it's already green, you're all set. If it's gray, just tap the switch to turn it on. Now, let's test it out. Double-click the side button on your iPhone. That's the power button. Your iPhone will display Ready to Pay with Face ID. Look at your iPhone to authenticate with Face ID. You should see a checkmark appear. Finally, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. Wait for the checkmark and the Done message, and that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Pay with Face ID. Enjoy the speed and security of paying with just your face. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy shopping!